Hi, I'm a big YouTube fan. I love seeing people use their ingenuity to make different things. Now, lately, I've been watching people build themselves their homemade table saws, but I have not seen anyone use a Black & Decker Quick Connect saw attachment to make a table saw, and that's exactly what I did. Now just be aware, this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it in this light, but this is a Black & Decker Quick Connect matrix system, and that is the saw attachment. Now I'm going to show you how this works. It works very well with 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch sheet goods, but I'm going to show you how this works, and it actually does work. Let me set up the camera for you. Hopefully you can get a bird's eye view. Let me see, get the camera right. And there it is. Alright, let me get a couple of shots in there. Always safety glasses, hearing protection, now I'm going to turn it on. There you have it, folks. Black & Decker Quick Connect table saw.